Because of lockdown, we will complete few chapters in our 10th standard syllabus through online or through video. आपण थोडे चॅप्टर्स ऑनलाईन आणि व्हिडिओने पूर्ण करणार आहोत लॉकडाऊन असल्या कारणाने आणि नंतर मग आपण ऑफलाईन क्लास सुरू करणार आहोत. सो टुडे वी स्टार्ट मॅथ्स 1 फर्स्ट चॅप्टर, that is linear equations in two variables. Okay, linear equations in two variables. These linear equations can be solved by two methods. One is graphical method and second one is Cramer's method. Okay, linear equations दोन पद्धतीने सोडवले जातात. एक आहे graphical method आणि second आहे Cramer's method. Now, what is linear equation? Linear equation means क्या? So, an equation that contains two variables and degree of each term containing variable is 1 is called linear equation in two variable. Okay? That is in linear equation मध्ये काय असतं की दोन व्हेरिएबल असतात x आणि y आणि त्या दोन्ही व्हेरिएबलची डिग्री त्याला आपण कोटी म्हणतो ती किती असते 1 असते आणि त्यांना आपण लिनियर इक्वेशन असतो कारण का त्यांची डिग्री ही एकापेक्षा जास्त असू शकत नाही. ओके, सो व्हॉट इज द डेफिनेशन? an equation that contains two variables and degree of each term containing variable is 1 is called linear equation in two variables. Understand? समजलं? समजा? Then that linear equation, the general form is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay, in this equation real numbers are a, b and c and variables are x and y. Here a and b is not equal to 0 at same time. Understand? In this general form x and y काय आहेत? Variables आहेत and a, b, c are the real numbers and a and b is not equal to 0. Okay, now we see the example. See example, 3x plus 4y plus y is equal to 0. Here now which is the variables? Variables कौन से हैं? x and y. Variables are x and y. Again we can write rather than x and y there is a, b, c, m, n like letters. Okay, x and y के बिना हम लोग a, b, c also use कर सकते हैं. Okay, in same equation 3 and 4 that is the numbers. Okay, these are coefficients of x and y respectively. Understood? Then see the x and y are the variables we already observed, but there the degrees of x and y is always 1. Generally we don't mention 1 if degree is 1. That is same equation and when the 1 is the degree then this equation is known as linear equation. It should never be more than 1 degree. Why? Because it is not 1 degree, so it is the linear equation. Okay, now see the examples. आपण एक्झाम्पल बघूया लिनियर इक्वेशन कोणतं आहे आणि लिनियर इक्वेशन कोणतं नाही आहे. फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल इज सी 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. In this equation variables are, which are the variables? X and y. Which are the coefficients? 4 and 3. Okay, that is here both variables are there x and y and their degree also 1. Two conditions are fulfilled, so this is a linear equation. Second example is 4x plus 0y is equal to 5. That is here coefficient of y is 0. If 0 is there, so only one variable is available in that equation, so it is not linear equation. Same thing, third one is there 0x plus 3y इक्वल टू 5। इसमें भी देखो x का कोएफिशिएंट क्या है, 0 है, सो इसलिए दिस एग्जांपल आल्सो नॉट लीनियर इक्वेशन। लास्ट वन, 8xy plus 5y is equal to 3. 8xy, x and y together, so the degree of x is 1, degree of y is also 1, so together is 2. When the power or degree is 2, then it is also not linear equation. Okay, their coefficients are 4, 3, but sometimes the coefficients are in minus also, in root form also. Okay, then if there are the root form coefficient, is it linear equation? Yes, surely it is a linear equation, because the power of variables always 1. Coefficients are in negative also or in root form also. Understood? All the equation, what is the linear equations and what is the two variables are there. Okay, now we go ahead. That is set 1.1. Before that, we should revise or remember some conditions when we solve the equations. The steps are there, the steps to be followed. Just see your first step. In two equations, when we solve the simultaneous equation, it should be two equations. Two equations are necessary. दो equation होना ही मांगता है, दोन equation असायलाच पाहिजे. Okay, and the coefficients of any one variable should be same, and if not, we make it same. त्यांचे जे सहगुणक आहेत, त्यांचे जे कोएफिशिएंट आहेत दोन्ही व्हेरिएबलचे, त्यापैकी एकाचे कोएफिशिएंट आपल्याला सेम असायलाच पाहिजे. अदरवाइज जर नसतील तर ते आपण सेम करायचे असतात, म्हणजे सारखे करायचे असतात. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? देन सेकंड वन, इफ the coefficients are same but their sign, you observe the sign, that is the whether they are plus or minus. Condition first, if the sign of coefficient is same, either plus plus or minus minus, म्हणजे दोघांची साइन प्लस प्लस असेल किंवा मायनस मायनस असेल, म्हणजे त्यांचे साइन सेम असतील, then we subtract the equation, that is subtract second equation from 1. म्हणजे दुसरं इक्वेशन फर्स्ट मधून काय करायचं असतं, सबट्रॅक्ट करायचं असतं, मायनस करायचं असतं. ओके, दिस इज युअर कंडिशन नंबर 1, राइट? देन सेकंड कंडिशन, if the sign of coefficients are dissimilar, that is plus minus or minus plus, then what we do? Always we do, that is a addition, which that is addition, that is we add both the equations. These are the steps we remember when we solve the equations, right? Now you revise it twice and thrice and keep in your mind when you solve the equations. Okay, now we see the first equation. Now see, in your 1.1 exercise, there is given the equations, that is the first sum. Two equations are there. Okay, first equation is 5x plus 3y is equal to 9, so that is the first. Second equation is 2x minus 3y is equal to 12, that is the second. Okay, now you remember in some books that is a addition is there, so some addition there is given plus sign but it is minus 1. Okay, 2x minus 3y, always there is a 3y. Now you see the both the equations. First of all, what you do, both the equation here is already given in your textbook, you only fill up the box, but you remember both the equations, you write one up above the other below. Then दोनों साइड बाय साइड वन एक के नीचे एक लिखने के, राइट? दोन्ही इक्वेशन आपल्याला कशी लिहायची आहे, एका खाली एक. मग आपण आधी स्टेप बघितले. ओके, यू फॉलो द स्टेप. काय स्टेप बघितले आपण? व्हेरिएबल एक्स एक्स आणि वाय वाय. You see the coefficients of variables. See, in first equation, the coefficient of x is 5. In second equation, coefficient of x is 2. That is a not same. So leave it. Second variable y. So coefficient of y is 3. In second equation also coefficient of y is 3. That is both the coefficients are same when the variables is y. That is your first condition. Okay. Coefficients are same. Then go to second condition. What is the second condition? If their sign, you see the sign. If their sign are dissimilar, then always addition. Second condition, you see, observe. Second condition, dissimilar sign, add. Similar sign, subtract. Here signs are dissimilar, so you always add. So here is already given in your book, add equation 1 and 2. So again you write one below the other. एक च्या खाली एक लिहायचं आहे. ऍडिशन करायचं आहे म्हणून दोघांच्या मध्ये यू पुट द साइन प्लस. Then if the addition no change the sign of second equation. दुसऱ्या इक्वेशनचे कुठलेही साइन चेंज करायचं नाही आहे. डायरेक्टली आपण ते सॉल्व करूया. इथे +3 -3 +3 and -3 so it's cancel. Only now see the x. 5x and 2x both have plus sign. So 5 plus 2 7x. Same thing 9 and 12. 9 and 12 both are plus, that is 21. Okay. So 7x is equal to 21. So x is equal to 21 upon 7. Because this 7 is always goes denominator in the other sides. So x is equal to 3. Got it? That is your value of x. This value of x you put in any one equation, which one is quite easier to you when you solve. So here place equation x is equal to 3 in equation 1. Place the value x is equal to 3 in equation 1. Okay, x is equal to 3 ची value आपल्याला equation 1 मध्ये घालायची आहे. So again you write the equation f(ix) plus 3y is equal to 9. Put the value of x where the x is there. So 5 into 3 plus 3y is equal to 9. So 5 3s are 15. It goes that side, that is 3y is equal to 9 minus 15. So 3y is equal to minus 6. Okay. When y is equal to minus 6 upon 3, so y is equal to minus 2. When you write the answer, that time always you write first x and then y. So in bracket x and y, the value of x is 3 and value of y is minus 2. This is the solution of the equation. Okay, so understood? This is your first sum in exercise 1.1. You again go through this equation, repeat it, practice it, then we will solve the next examples in second video. Thank you. Subscribe the video and like it.